Where I see the engine? Where I see it?
I don't know. It's inside somewhere.
Hey, engine's right here. Oh, it's on the side. The engine right here. The engine's right here. It's on the side.
Oh.
That's a big tractor. Oh, look at it. It damaged. It got damaged right there.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
SuperBaby. Ah, I see you, SuperBaby. I see you. You ain't hiding there. Guess what, SuperBaby? There is a tractor outside the house. A yellow tractor. Come on, just check it out. Come on. Come on. Why hang under the bed, huh? What's going on? Oh, this is where your sleeping spot is? Under the bed? Oh, you better hang and see what that is.
No, this is my real sleeping spot.
This your real sleeping spot? Get me. Let's go. Come on, let's check it out. There's a tractor outside, a yellow tractor. Check it out, come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Get up. You got out. Okay, come on. Twist. There you go. Come on. Come on. Hello. 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 Come on. Where you going? Come on, let's go. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you playing around? Come on. Come on. Your hand. Come on. Ah, why you pulling? Get out. Why you pulling me? Get out. What are you doing? Get up. Get up. What are you doing?
Get my hand.
Ah, there you go. Ah.
Guys, there's a yellow tractor in front of my house. Look it.
Cool. Let's check it.
Street.
Let's go check it out, SuperBaby.
First, we have to look both ways.
Yeah, look both ways before across the street.
Uh-oh, car right there.
Okay, is he coming this way?
This is she.
Oh, is she coming this way? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's a big yellow tractor. Whoa. I don't know, they parked it, the city parked it here. See that? Ooh, that claw. What is a big claw? Look at that. The big tractor, huh? Wow. Look at the tire. Look at the tire, SuperBaby. How big the tire is?
That's bigger than yours.
Yeah, that's big. That's way bigger than my daddy's tire, huh? Yeah. That's how they operate right there. See how they operate it? They sit there and operate. They use the controller. The controller.
It says stop.
Yeah, that's the stop. Let's see the engine. Where's the engine at? Is it this way?
Yes.
Where I see the engine? Where I see it?
I don't know. It's inside somewhere.
Hey, engine's right here. Oh, it's on the side. The engine right here. The engine's right here. It's on the side. That's a big tractor. Oh, look at it. It damaged. It got damaged right there. You see that?
Yeah.
You want to drive it?
No. There's no key for it.
You want to be a construction worker? Huh? Wait, hang on. Yeah, you see the gas pedal? That's the gas pedal, and that's the brake. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
The left one?
The left one is the brake, I think. And see, this one is the right is the gas pedal. No climbing. You can't climb in that. They get mad. The city. Here's the gas. I guess you put the gas right here. See it? Wow, look at the tires are bald. Look. They use a lot. Tires are bald. They use so much of it. What is that? See the little thing up here? What is that? that? A little can thing with them.
I don't know.
What is that?
It says 903.
Yeah, what is that? What was it? Oh, here's the brake. I think this is the brake right here. No, I think you could show the arm thing up there.
Yeah.
That's cool. What's the name of this tractor? JCB. That's what the name of it. No, we can't get in. That's cool. Tractor. Come on, let's see in the front. Come on. Come here. Come look in front. See it? See how the...
Take some thumbnails.
That's a big tractor.
It rolled all the way.
I don't know where it came from. Where do you think it came from? Where do you think it came from?
Some engineer that he left it
You
here.
left it here? Because you were at school. And Daddy came home and Dad saw it parked here. I don't know, I think somebody dropped it off earlier. So they dropped it off here and they parked it here. See, I think that's the arm. See the crutch? It's like this. Look, it goes like that. That's what it does, the arm.
Give me your hand.
No, what are you doing? You know.
That's it.
That's what it does. It bike you, huh? Yeah, that's. I don't know what it's for. Look, I guess it's for the rock or something. So it moves rocks or maybe trees. Maybe cut down trees or something. Where?
Inside.
Oh, the plants right there? See? You can be the tractor operator. You want to be a tractor operator? See it? Maybe they want to do maybe they want to build something here. That's why they're getting ready to build something here.
Or probably they're showing off the tractor.
Oh yeah, probably. Wow, that's a cool tractor. Let's take a thumbnail, okay? Let's go. Come stand here. Come on. Let's take a thumbnail. Come on. For a YouTube channel. Come on. No, stand over here. Stand right here. Right there. Right there, yeah. What are you gonna do? No, you can kick it. Wow, let's see what's underneath it. What's underneath it? Wow, that's the motor there. It's just the motor.
What's that weird sound?
Where?
I heard a weird sound.
What's that?
That, get out and kick it in.
What are you kicking it for?
So it can go.
No, you're not supposed to kick it. It's not going nowhere.
Uh-oh, I made a mark.
What? We need a mark. That's a big tractor. Oh, you know what you should do? When you grow up, you be a tractor operator. You want to be a tractor operator when you grow up? No? What do you want to be when you grow up, huh? That's cool. It's not big tires though?
Bully.
Bully! Okay, that's cool. Come on, go this way.
No, worker.
You gonna be a worker? A freeway worker? Construction worker?
I work for
The police department?
no, I work for
What?
I don't know.
You don't know? You be
A restaurant.
Oh, you work for the restaurant. Don't you want to be a tractor driver? Look at this tire got more thread. See? This one's bald already. They use a lot. This one got more. This one still got more thread. Okay. What you say, Super Baby?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Super Baby Color.